everyone, this is Suri from Toronto Drivers. Welcome to another life lesson from driving instruction. Friends, I've taught thousands of students as a driving instructor, and I've taught almost all kinds of students. And I can broadly classify all these students into three categories. And the number one category is the sponge. Number two is the quitter. And number three is well, I'm going to keep this as a surprise for now, and we'll talk about it as we go. So the sponge baby is someone who gets into the car, takes instruction from the driving instructor, absorbs it like a sponge, puts it into practice, and becomes ready for the road test. And this was about 60 to 70% of the student population. The next type is the quitter. This type of student already comes defeated in their mind. All they want is just a confirmation that driving is actually very difficult. So all they're waiting for is that moment that tells them that driving is not for them. So when they're driving, all they're saying to themselves is, oh my God, driving is difficult. Oh my God, I can't do this. Oh my God, no, I'm gonna crash into something. No, oh my God, I can't do this. Oh my God, oh! And as soon as they crash into a minor thing, it doesn't have to be a big collision. Even hitting a curb would discourage them from driving. And this is what they say to themselves after that incident: I am never gonna come back. And they actually never come back to driving. Well, fortunately, these people don't make a big chunk of the population. They're just about 5% of the population. I hope you're not one of those people. Well, of course you're not. I'm kidding. Well, if you were, then you wouldn't be watching this video. Well, who watches videos on driving after quitting driving? Now it's time to reveal the curtain from the third type of drivers. That is the fighter! Yes, these types of students enter the training knowing that they don't know how to drive, but they come with the mindset that they're going to utilize all the resources possible to learn how to drive. These types of students take a while before they learn how to drive. Sometimes they even feel like giving up. A lot of people have told me that, Harminder, I want to quit driving. But the good part about them is that they never give up, because they know that if other people could learn how to drive, then they can also learn it. And with that in mind, they fight till the last blood. Sometimes they fail, and when they fail, they get back up and try again. I had a student who failed 7 times because of the small mistakes she kept making. And every time she failed, she said to me, Harminder, I'm not gonna give up no matter how many attempts it takes to pass the road test. Now that is a true fighter spirit. I hope you are watching this video with that spirit. So what does it teach us about life? What it teaches us about life is that if you stick to your goal and never give up, then sooner or later you are going to achieve success. Hey, my students who kept taking driving lessons and never gave up, at the end they did get their license. My favorite quote on these lines is that it's not the people who are the most smartest or the most talented that succeed. It's the people who never give up. They are the ones who succeed. So my friend, I hope you are never ever gonna give up on driving or anything in life. And I hope to see you succeed. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again with another life lesson very soon. So number one category, the sponge. The sponge baby. So the sponge baby is someone who gets into the car, takes instruction from the driving instructor,